Hey guys, this is RidinWithJ, back with another quick video. In today's video, we're going to be doing a oil change on my 2018 Kawasaki Z900. So to start things off, you're going to need a few tools, a 17mm open end wrench or a socket 17 on a ratchet, a oil filter cup, which greatly helps. There's also different styles that you can use to get off the oil filter. Also a bin to catch the old oil. So to start things off, you're going to loosen the drain bolt, and once you've loosened that, and be very cautious because the oil likes to shoot out. So just loosen this off and try not to drop the bolt into the pan. So you're going to be draining out the old oil, and that will drain out for a few minutes. Okay, so now the oil has come to a slow drip. We're going to be removing the filter next. So unfortunately the filter was pretty tight on there, so I wasn't able to use my oil filter cup to remove it. So I had to get a pair of slip joint pliers. So I was able to break it free and get it loose. So once it's loose, you're just going to be turning it until you spin the filter right off. So we're just going to let that drain out a little bit. And if you have a new drain plug gasket, at this time you're going to be changing that. I mean, if you don't have a gasket, you can always flip it over and reuse the other side. But since I do have a new gasket, I'm going to be replacing it with a new one. Okay, now that you have the oil filter removed, you're going to want to clean up this oil mating surface where the oil filter sits. You're just going to want to make sure that there's no debris there, so just take a rag and wipe it off. Next, you're going to be taking your oil filter. That's the part number of the oil filter. And then what you want to do is you're going to take a little bit of oil and lube the O-ring that's here. And also one thing to note, you want to make sure that the old O-ring doesn't stick onto the bike, because then that will cause a leak. So just take a little bit of oil and you lubricate the O-ring, and then you're just going to be taking the filter and spinning it on. So spins on clockwise. And for these filters, they don't have to be put on crazy tight. Just hand tight, as tight as you can go. And that's sufficient. Alright, so the drain bolt is what we're going to be installing next. So the drain bolt, same idea. You want to make sure that the area where the drain bolt's going to be put on is nice and clean. And you're just going to be threading the drain bolt in, making sure that you have the new gasket in place. And once you have both the drain bolt and the oil filter nice and tight, next step would be to go ahead and add whatever engine oil you prefer. I have got a bottle of Kawasaki S4 synthetic 10W40 oil, and that's what I'm going to be adding to the bike. Okay, moving along to the right side of the bike. Now that you've replaced the filter and tightened the drain bolt, next step will be to add the engine oil. So I've removed the oil filler cap and I have a funnel here. What you're going to be doing is adding oil into the bike with the bike off, and you're going to be adding oil until it's roughly around halfway through the sight glass. Once the oil level reaches roughly around halfway, you're going to reinstall your oil filler cap and let the bike run, check for any leaks, and then come back and double check your level, making sure that it's roughly halfway in between this sight glass. There's a lower level and a upper level. You want it to be somewhere right in the middle. So that's pretty much it for changing oil on a 2018-2017 Kawasaki Z900. Like always, thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.